was I go to what I was on there, and every restaurant, whatever, whatever, Matasa, remove it from the Rakase, Matasa, Primachi, Pipra, Yapine, my wine, Yapine, my Jan, Piazza, whatever, why you go, Busmas, or you go, Busmas, troubles, some game, Party Busmasu, I go for a part of some game. Every restaurant or helper, or you know why, or in that Matasa remove it. That's Igbo for other one work. Mahapain. I let's say by Sumura. No good then a pen for someone's mentioned. But Sumura. The regular so. No, let's see. Mirror. The soup said the waffles were quite doing I saw our own and crying. None me before when the dog said before. Oba, when you come back, maybe I was soon. You have a chef for Cassia if you do not buy. Sir was a maintenance, Massako, and you are there, no cost of sons. Tinette or Babson, on any penny for I said you said you sit here and also I know Babadish now Omanqua and Sai Bodina and if you can see say the blue and some platoon snap whiskey brandy and then wine and some of the Bodina or the Summon Nafe or the Wakasi and so as soon as also I can in pen for I can't home in the classroom, so why not? But also, actually, in that your name and then introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
My names are Chief Harrison Nakano, Chief of Staff.
My name is Eze Dr. Your Majesty, my name is Eze Dr.
My name is Eze
My name is Mr. Chris Namani, the Chief Security to His Majesty.
My name is Honorable Chief Okoro, the PRA to the Palace.
My name is Francis Elder in the Palace.
My name is Chief Douglas Davis, the Mother of the Palace.
My names are Cosmos Chukwudi Jude Ihenetu in the Palace.
Your Majesty, may you live long. My name is High Chief Chibata.
Thank you. Your Majesty, may you live long. My names are Chief Joseph Vincent Anyebunan. I am the President General, Igbo Community Ghana.
His Majesty, my names are Chief Ifanye Anyako. I'm the Secretary of the Palace as well as the Chairman of Anambra State Community in Ghana. Thank you, sir.
His Majesty, my name is Chief Wilfred Ude. I'm the Chairman of Enugu State Community in Ghana.
Good afternoon, His Majesty. My name is Chief K.K. Onobu. I'm a member of Council of Elders in the Palace.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty. My name is Chief Ernest Obu. I'm the Secretary of Chieftains Committee in the Palace.
Long life, Your Majesty. My name is Chief Engineer John Onjago. I was the national advisor Igbo community Ghana.
Hello. It's okay.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty. My name is Mrs. Mary, for Financial Secretary, Igbo Women Association in Kumasi.
Thank you, Mr. Okay. Eva, Daroma, Unana Baye, Unana Mekano, and Abudi, Amela Chama, Otumfuo, and Aquaba. Said that I was soon, and then so on Aquaba. So was in
Yeah.